So how's it going, fellas? Welcome to our YouTube channel. We'll discuss and review the best toaster ovens in 2022. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Best overall, Panasonic Flash Express. The Panasonic Flash Express toaster oven would be a terrific addition to a small kitchen or apartment, and its double infrared heating system works faster than others. The retail price is $149. It's a tiny, capable piece of equipment that repeatedly astonished me with its speed, precision, and overall cooking ability. It's a mid-range toaster oven that often outperformed, especially for the more expensive Cuisinart, Breville, and Frigidaire versions. You'll probably fall in love with this toaster oven if you can get past the antiquated display and the weird temperature and timer settings. Who knows, maybe those quirky little characteristics will become part of its lore in time. It indeed grew on me. I'd recommend this to anybody looking for a toaster oven. Still, it's excellent if you're low on counter space, only want to make 1 or 2 meals, or are looking for a cheap cost device that also performs well. Best with Convection, Breville BOV 450XL. This mini smart oven offers much value in a compact package. Thanks to the incredible heating components, constant temperatures, and various settings, you'll never want to use the microwave again. You could even want to use it for baking and cooking your meals. This is fantastic at producing precise temperature readings, usually keeping within 10 degrees of the temperatures you set it at. This is more than most ovens of this type can claim. Plus, because it's so tiny, it heats up rapidly, so there's no need to preheat it. You can fit up to 4 bread slices, knowing they'll be toasted evenly to perfection. You can even use the toasting setting for bagels to get crispy outsides and soft insides. If you're looking for a small oven that can cook frozen food, you may have probably found it in the Mini Smart Oven. With it, you can cook a frozen pizza and get a delicious crispy warm pizza after a few minutes. No defrosting is required. All you need to do is press the snowflake symbol. Once you do, it'll tell the oven that you just placed something that's frozen. Your range will use the Element IQ feature to defrost it and cook it at the same time efficiently. Best Versatile, Cuisinart TOB 260N1. Toaster oven or conventional oven? It's the age-old question at which to utilize if you have both. But honestly, if you have a great toaster oven, it's a point that rapidly becomes meaningless. If you don't, now's your time to find out why. Even the most seasoned home chef may benefit from a good toaster oven. They don't work like your standard over-the-range microwave. To begin with, unlike their traditional counterparts, some of today's best toaster ovens heat up extremely quickly. Second, they are versatile, allowing you to heat food and negate the microwave. The latter should be a stopgap measure. Lastly, some of these infrared technologies, which cook food directly, leave it moist and altogether better in taste. You should also look at our slide-through toaster if you want a more upscale toaster, which should ensure no more burnt fingers. So what high-quality toaster oven can you get right now? This Cuisinart is an excellent choice. It has a stainless steel finish, making it suitable for almost any kitchen. This toaster oven undersells itself only because of its name. It's so much more than that. 15 cooking functions, including rapid preheating and golden brown toast. The one notable drawback of this oven is that it lacks a manual on-off control, necessitating the use of a 2-hour or less timer. Best value, Cuisinart TOA 65. This toaster oven is capable of much more than toasting. It's a fantastic unit with a lot of features. You get a toaster, convection oven, broiler, air fryer, and more in one appliance. You will get healthy and flavorful wings, fries, and vegetables when you fry with air instead of oil. It also features a slow cooking mode for succulent pork and ribs that fall off the bone. The air fryer and toaster oven can do it all, and it easily outperforms rival toaster ovens, such as the Breville Smart Oven Pro. This high-capacity oven, the best toaster oven air fryer, can cook up to 3-pound chicken or other meals at once. Not only that, but it can be used for various other tasks, including defrosting and dehydrating food, making pizza, and toasting bread. It has a temperature range of 80 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. The low cooking temperature setting is ideal for slow cooking and braising, while the high temperatures are ideal for broiling and frying. This convection toaster air fryer is one of the best ones on the market, easily outperforming comparable ovens and air fryers. It's essentially a second oven for side dishes, leftovers, and chicken wings, and can do pretty much whatever you need to accomplish it. If you prefer to break bread, it can be used as dough proofer, and it can also be used to dehydrate fruits and vegetables for excellent on-the-go snacks. Despite the high price, it's a fantastic gadget that's well worth the money. Best budget, Hamilton Beach 31344DA. While it doesn't stand out among its competition, this toaster oven does the job and has a sizable roll-top door for simple food removal and placement. We weren't blown away by the performance of this toaster oven, but we weren't disappointed either. It performed admirably in our culinary tests and provided ample cooking space. The roll-top door allows you to remove your food without getting burned. Overall, this is a good family toaster oven because it can cook a lot of food at once and is simple to use. It can't do much more than many of the greatest toasters. This toaster oven performs the job and features a substantial roll-top door for easy food removal and placing, even if it doesn't stand out among its competitors. It passed our culinary testing with flying colors and offers plenty of cooking areas. For roughly $50, you can get this toaster oven from Hamilton Beach.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.